Welcome to 8 Quanta Library Content. Today we'll be discussing the Inventory Profitability Report in NetSuite. The Inventory Profitability Report is your go-to tool for quickly reviewing item-level profitability. It's accessible directly from the standard menu and provides valuable insights into cost, revenue, and margins. Navigate to Reports, Inventory Items, Inventory Profitability. For this demo, I'll customize the report and filter it to show a couple of selected items. You can also add columns and filters to better fit your reporting needs. Don't forget to give your customized report a name and click Save. The report displays key profitability metrics, including item name and description, quantity sold, total cost, total revenue, percent of total revenue, gross profit percent. Let's check the value in the quantity sold column. When you click on the number, for example 4QD, you'll see a breakdown of all related transactions with a cost of sales impact. If we sum up these transactions, the total matches the 4QD shown in the report. Note that any returns will reduce the quantity accordingly. Now let's review the total cost column. Again, summing up all transactions with cost of sales entries gives us $80, which matches the report value. Next, let's check the total revenue. This amount comes from all invoices and cash sales minus any refunds or credit memos. In this example, the total revenue is $140. You may also notice an item showing 95 QD in the quantity sold column. This happens when the item is used in transfer orders. Since these do not represent actual sales, they appear as negative quantities and costs in the report. And that's it for the Inventory Profitability Report in NetSuite. With this report, you can quickly analyze which items are driving profits and which may need closer review. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.